Good day, folks. Let's dive into the week's significant market highlights. We've seen the fourth quarter earnings season wrap up, with notable reports from Nvidia, Warner Brothers Discovery, and Paramount Skydance. Steve Madden, however, has withdrawn its 2026 earnings forecast due to tariff uncertainty. And First Solar's stock took a tumble after issuing a bleaker than expected outlook. In contrast, Circle's stock rose on increased revenue, while Lowe's, despite beating analyst estimates, fell short on full-year guidance. HP's annual profits took a hit. Workday's stock plunged due to disappointing guidance, but Planet Fitness flexed its muscles with better-than-expected profits. Constellation Energy missed its Q4 earnings target. Yet American Tower posted upbeat revenue, and Home Depot's same-store sales growth exceeded expectations. So a mixed bag of results this week, with some companies exceeding expectations and others falling short. Now, shifting gears to the broader market, we saw a rebound this Tuesday. We experienced a breath of fresh air as the S&P 500, Nasdaq Composite, and Dow Jones Industrial Average all posted gains. It was as if the market took a collective sigh of relief. Let's talk about the companies that led the charge. Advanced Micro Devices, Home Depot and IBM stood tall, contributing significantly to this upswing. They were the knights in shining armor, pushing back the bears and leading the bulls' charge. But the real comeback story of the day was the software stocks. The companies involved in AI technology, like Meta Platforms, DocuSign, Salesforce, and ServiceNow, they all bounced back. It was like watching a phoenix rise from the ashes. They dusted themselves off and showed their strength despite recent disruptions. Analysts are buzzing with optimism about the resilience of enterprise software, even in the face of AI advancements. They believe in the sector's ability to adapt and thrive. And this rebound is a testament to that, a robust comeback for the software stocks, showing the resilience of the sector. Moving on, let's delve into some industry insights that emerged this week. In the healthcare sector, Eli Lilly has been highlighted as a leading provider in the GLP-1 market, showcasing the potential for other companies to follow suit and make their mark. On the technology front, IBM experienced a drop. However, this is seen more as a near-term issue rather than a structural risk, indicating the company's solid foundation and potential for recovery. In a significant development, President Trump announced that big tech has pledged to pay higher electricity prices in communities where they build data centers. This move not only signals big tech's commitment to supporting local economies, but also highlights the growing interplay between technology companies and societal infrastructure. The job market also showed promising signs of improvement in early February, according to ADP data. This uptick suggests an optimistic outlook for the economy and can potentially boost investor confidence. From tech to healthcare, it's clear that various industries are making waves in the market. Lastly, let's look at what the analysts have to say and some suggested market strategies. Bill Gross, a notable figure in the investment world, advises caution with certain elite stocks. Instead of chasing the big players, he suggests focusing on smaller gains in other potentially overlooked names. This strategy could offer a safer route for those looking to navigate the turbulent investment waters. Now turning our attention to banking giant JP Morgan. Analysts have expressed a positive view on the bank following a recent investor event. They've cited the bank's strategic investments in technology and its consistent market share growth as reasons for optimism. JP Morgan seems to be on the right track, leveraging technology to stay ahead and expand its market presence. Keep an eye on these market strategies and analysts' views, as they can provide valuable insights for your investment decisions. That's all for this week's Market Roundup. Stay tuned for more updates next week.